Hi, my friend. This is Johnson from Myled. Today, I'd like to introduce our new product, P3.91 outdoor fixed installation LED display. Now, please follow my camera to see. So firstly, all cable are go inside, invisible. We hide all cable inside, so it looks more tidy. This thing inside, there are two power supply. Each power supply is 400 volt power supply, total 800, one cabinet. We use the nationstar A5 receiving card. And this is the ring, the wire to protect the modules. And this is the look, front axis look. We can remove the module from the front side and the rear side. This is the fast lock. We can fix the cabinet, the top. Now let's see the front side. The nationstar LEDs, and the brightness is about 6,000 nits. Okay, thank you.